Okay, I have a little derivative to find. I want to find the derivative of f with respect to x if f of x is equal to this function. So I look at this and I see the quotient rule, right? Because I have this function divided by this function. But while I'm applying that quotient rule, I'm also going to have to apply the product rule because here's the product of two functions. So I think I'll simplify this first a little bit and see if maybe it's easier to apply just one rule rather than two. So I'll multiply out these two binomials to get this. So this function is the same as this function. It's just that when I look at this, I only have the quotient rule to apply. And remember, the quotient rule is this. If f is equal to u over v, then f prime is going to be v times u prime minus u times v prime divided by v squared. So if I apply this rule to this function right here, I get the denominator, 7x plus 2, times the derivative of the numerator, which is going to be 6x squared minus 2x plus 10, minus, because that's the subtraction sign that appears in the formula, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, which is just 7, divided by the denominator squared. Okay, if you can get this step correct right here, then you understand calculus and you can apply the quotient rule. The rest is all algebra. From here to here, that's algebra. From here to here, that's algebra, and that's algebra. So what I find when I give a problem like this on a test is my students will get this part right here, but then they'll have trouble with the algebra because it's just easier to make it's easy to make a mistake when you're trying to combine these coefficients and things like that. So I would say make sure that you can do this correctly and then take your time with the algebra to be sure that you can take this and simplify it down to this expression right here.